Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the BEARDTREE Hills puzzle in Crimson Desert. So when you turn up to the site, it's probably looking just like this. I haven't touched anything yet, and basically this puzzle is actually quite easy, but it does require certain skills. So if we go over to the skills tab just here, and basically what we want to do is come and have a look at energy. And what we're going to be looking for here is this ability just here, which is Nature's Snare. Now do be aware that in order to unlock Nature's Snare, you do need level 3 in Keen Senses and level 2 in Focus. So if you don't have level 2 in Focus and at least level 3 in Keen Senses, you will not be able to unlock this ability. But then when you've unlocked it, all you're going to need is the first level of that. And then basically what you're going to do is come over to the other side of the water just here. Come to about here on the water. If the water starts damaging you, just walk around, it doesn't really matter. Go ahead and enter your focus mode, and then you will see Nature's Snare being an option. You want to go ahead and cast that, and you will see that this starts to move. You don't want to be too close to it, otherwise you'll hurt yourself, just like I did there. But you basically want to get close enough that the effects will register with it. And as you do this, you want to keep it going for a little while. As you can see, it's rising out of the ground. And this is going to begin draining the water out of this pond area here. And then after a while, you can go ahead and let go, and it will go back down again, but that's not an issue at this point because it has drained down to that level. And then what we want to do is come over to the second one over here. Again, make sure that we're far enough away that we're not going to get hit. Cast it a second time so that this one then does the drain as well. This one does take quite a while to do, so do keep it spinning for a little while. You do want all of the water to be drained, so it does take a bit longer than the first one, but as you can see, it is now draining away, and once it's drained completely, you should then get a cutscene like such, and you can see it's now unlocked, so we can go ahead and end that. But there you go guys, that is how you complete this puzzle and unlock the Abyssal Crescent. I really hope that this video has helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.